All right, let's jump right in. Today we're looking at Xavier Engineering College in Tirunelveli, and its TNEA code is 4955. If you're a student or parent shortlisting colleges for the 2026 engineering admissions, this is the essential, data-backed information you need.
Okay, let's start with the number that's on everyone's mind, career outcomes. For the 2023-24 batch, the highest salary package offered right here was 17 lakhs per annum. That figure really sets a benchmark for the kind of potential that top-performing students can aim for.
But, one high salary doesn't tell the whole story. What's even more important is consistency. And here, the college has shown a solid placement rate of about 90% across its recent graduating batches. That signals a really strong and reliable return on the investment you make in your education.
So, the big question is, where are these graduates actually going? Which companies are coming to campus to hire them? Let's take a look.
And just look at this list, it's quite a mix. You've got major automotive tech players like Renault-Nissan and Robert Bosch. Then you have product-based giants like Zoho. And of course, leading IT service companies like Hexaware and Kadar Technologies. This variety is fantastic because it means there are opportunities across many different sectors of the engineering industry.
So, great placements are one thing, but what's really driving that success? Well, a lot of it comes down to a college's focus on innovation and its real-world industry connections. Let's see how Xavier Engineering College stacks up here. First up, a platinum rating from the AICTE-CII survey in 2020. Now, platinum is the absolute highest rating you can get, and this survey specifically measures how well a college's curriculum is linked to actual industry needs. Getting a top rating here is a very, very strong signal.
And the recognition continues. The very next year in 2021, the college was placed in the Excellent band by the ARIIA rankings. That's a key government ranking that evaluates the campus ecosystem for innovation and entrepreneurship. The word excellent really says it all, doesn't it?
On top of that, the college holds a 4-star rating directly from the Ministry of Education's Innovation Council. You can start to see a clear pattern here. This is another strong indicator that they have a very structured approach to fostering new ideas.
All of this culminates in this national-level recognition. In the 2023 NIRF India Innovation Rankings, the college was placed in the 51 to 100 band. And this is so important because it ties everything together. It shows they're building an ecosystem that produces industry-ready graduates, which directly fuels the kind of placement success we saw earlier.
And this commitment isn't just about awards on paper. It translates into real, tangible research. Just look at these numbers. 4 patents granted. That's huge. Over 140 published, and 21 sponsored research projects in just 3 years. This is the kind of hands-on experience that makes a student's resume really stand out.
Okay, so if these results and this focus on innovation sound good to you, you're probably asking, how do I get in? Let's break down the engineering programs offered for the 2026 intake and the admission process.
Here are the branches available. You've got the core, foundational branches like computer science, ECE, EEE, and mechanical, plus IT. But what really catches the eye is the B.Tech and artificial intelligence and data science, with a very significant intake of 180 seats. It shows a clear focus on where the industry is heading.
When you add up the seats across all those branches, the total number of undergraduate engineering seats available through TNEA for the 2026 academic year comes to 960.
Now, the admission process itself is primarily through the centralized TNEA counseling, and it's important to understand the split here. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota based on merit, while the other 35% are allocated under the management quota. Academics and careers are absolutely critical, but a college is also about the environment, the support systems, and its core values. So let's take a look at the campus, the facilities, and the financial support available. You can tell a lot about an institution from its mission. It was founded by St. Xavier's Educational Trust, and their mission statement really highlights a focus on ethical engineering education, making sure it's accessible to students from all backgrounds, and ultimately creating future leaders for the country.
The college was established back in the year 2000. A really key milestone came in 2019, when it was granted autonomous status. Now, why does that matter to you as a student? It means the college has the freedom to design and update its own curriculum, allowing it to stay much more relevant to what the industry needs right now.
For students who might be moving to Tirunelveli, let's talk practicals. Yes, there are separate hostels available on campus for both boys and girls, and the mess caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian preferences.
Financial support is also available.
Eligible students can look into several schemes, like the First Graduate Scholarship, support for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, tuition fee scholarships for SC/ST students, and even specific scholarships from organizations like ONGC. And what about getting to and from the campus? Well, the college has its own bus services that run across Tirunelveli district. And for those traveling by train, the campus is conveniently located just 2 kilometers from the Tirunelveli Junction railway station. Just before we finish, a quick disclaimer. The information we've shared today is based on data from the college's official website and government portals as of March 2026. We always recommend that you verify the latest details for yourself before making a final decision.
So the key takeaway is a clear picture of an institution that delivers strong placement outcomes backed by a nationally recognized focus on innovation. For more data-driven explainers just like this one, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.